making the worst game in Scratch. Let's go. Okay, let's start with a player. Oh wait, I know exactly what we're gonna use. Wait, let me come back. Wow, look at this majestic little fella. So that is gonna be a play sprite here. We got watermarks over and over, and this is not even a PNG picture. Oh man, what have I gotten myself into? Let's move on to the backdrops here. I'm gonna choose one from the Scratch library. What do we have? Blue sky. This will be perfect. Or actually, I want to have the neon tunnel. That looks great. So I guess we could code some movement for this guy over here. And I'm gonna try to do this in a beginner way, I guess. Boom. Look at this code. This is like the best code you've ever seen on Scratch, okay? Trust me, okay? Let's try it out. Yes! It's working. Let's code something that you can collect here. What should we choose? The cheesy puffs. Yes, the cheesy puffs. Okay, this will be great. And how should we do this? Oh, I know. Glide 2 seconds to random position in a forever loop under a green flag clicked. That will be awesome. Look at that. We should have some kind of enemy here. So I guess I will choose an enemy. We choose Almond. Okay, let's make him a bit smaller here. Let's rotate him. So this will be the guy chasing us, or not chasing us. We just copied this code into here, and now it should be gliding around too. Yes, sir. Okay, so let's add a score, I guess. You can set that to 0 in the beginning. We are gonna change score by 1, and if touching Almond, we can change score by -1. Boom! There we got it. I'm gonna place this right in the middle. Yeah, look at this pro code. Look, every sprite here. This is the best code you've ever seen, okay? Trust me. Let's now try this. Oh, we got some score. Oh, no. We're minus in score. Oh, this Almond guy is just crazy. Amazing game. 10 out of 10 playing experience. But yeah, I'm not even gonna post this. This is embarrassing to post on my main account. You know what? I'm just gonna delete this. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Bruh.